So today I'm reviewing QuickBooks Advanced and Xero to help you figure out which accounting tool actually fits your business. But before we go ahead and compare everything side by side, here's the moment most people don't expect. If your books ever look messy, overloaded, or out of sync, one feature in QuickBooks cleans everything up automatically, and most business owners don't even know it's there. I'll show you that in a bit. First, let's talk about structure. QuickBooks Advanced is built for scaling teams, sync automated workflows, custom user permissions, and powerful reporting through Smart Reporting by Fathom. It's the tool that feels like it grows with your business, even if the learning curve hits you at first. Xero, on the other hand, is all about simplicity. Cleaner interface, unlimited users, easier navigation, and if you hate cluttered dashboards, well, Xero is the refreshing switch you didn't know you needed. With Xero, small teams suddenly feels organized because everything updates instantly across devices. With QuickBooks, fast-growing teams unlock automation that removes hours of manual work each week. But the real question is, which one fits your business? If you need deep reporting, workflow automation, and integrations built for growth, QuickBooks leans ahead. If you want clean, simple, and predictable accounting without the bulk, Xero is the smoother ride. If you want a full walkthrough of setting up your chart of accounts in either platform, drop a comment down, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple US business software guides.